Where is the Gradebook? Each course in Moodle has its own Gradebook, which you can access by going to the Grades link in the navigation drawer. By default, students see this link as well, and this is where they can access their course grades. Here's an example gradebook in a different course. Depending on your administrator's settings, you might see the various elements of the gradebook as tabs across the screen or as a drop-down menu or both. The first screen is the grader report, where you can see the students you have and graded activities. Note that if you have a lot of students and graded activities, then as you scroll across, you can still see the students' names, and as you scroll up and down, you can still see the titles of the graded activities. Grade history will allow you to see the different grades and when they were modified and by whom. The single view tab or the pencil icon by the student's name take you to the single view, which allows you to focus on one particular student or one particular grade item. The user report, or the icon here next to the student's name, takes you to the individual grades of one student, and this is what a student sees when they click the Grades link in the nav drawer. In Setup, you can add new grade items or edit existing ones and decide on your preferences and the course grade settings. And in Scales, you can add a new scale. Custom scales are what the teacher has added to the course, and standard scales are what an administrator has added for everyone. So you, the teacher, can add a new course scale or custom scale by clicking the Add a New Scale button and giving it a name, and then adding the items with the lowest first. Then it's available to use in your course, for instance in assignments. You can also import grades that you have offline as easily as pasting from a spreadsheet, and you can export them as different formats if you want to print them off, for instance. The Gradebook is very powerful in Moodle, and we've only been able to see a few of its features, but hopefully this has given you an idea of what it can do for you as a teacher in your course.